All right, so my sweetheart walks, I'm not kidding you, she walks like, I don't know, 5 miles, maybe 6 miles a day. And so she got these to put inside of her shoes. Let me show you what they look like. All right, so these things are gonna save your foot. Check them out. So this is the bottom, right? And here's the tops. So this goes inside your shoe. She's a size 8.5. She's got some pretty big feet. But yeah, check it out. Here it is. It's called PowerStep Pulse, all right? This is what the bottom looks like. That's what the top looks like. This is the right foot. So you're never going to make a mistake because it's got the logo on the right side. I don't know why. But anyway, so yeah, you put these inside of your shoes and, you know, Bob's your uncle. Now you're walking on clouds. So highly recommend them. Get them on Amazon. And if you are a walker, you know, if you do a lot of walking and you're exercising, you're going to find that this is going to save your feet. I think. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. So grab them. Peace out.